Join us as we explore China's transition from an emerging market to a global force. See its remarkable evolution, from expanding cityscapes to innovative technologies. Is this the emergence of a new superpower or something more? Together, we'll delve into the challenges and growth driving China's rise to the world stage. Discussing China as an emerging market requires a nuanced approach, as the country's status in the global economy has evolved significantly over the past few decades. While China has traditionally been classified as an emerging market, its rapid economic growth, extensive industrialization, and increasing influence in global affairs have prompted some to reconsider this classification. Therefore, China's position in the global economy is much more complex than a simple emerging market label can capture. Let's take a closer look at some key aspects. China's economic story is one of remarkable transformation. Since the late 20th century, the nation has witnessed a surge in GDP growth, propelling it to become the world's second largest economy. This growth was fueled by a two-pronged approach: extensive industrialization and urbanization. Once a primarily agrarian society, China shifted its focus to manufacturing, becoming a global powerhouse in the process. To support this economic engine, the country embarked on a massive infrastructure development drive, leading the world in high-speed rail and renewable energy technology. This combination of industrial might and a robust infrastructure network laid the foundation for China's sustained economic rise. China's economic strength stems from a powerful combination of domestic potential and global reach. Boasting a massive and ever-expanding domestic market, China is a prime example of an emerging economy. Fueled by a burgeoning middle class, domestic consumption is on the rise, creating a vast internal demand for a diverse range of products and services. At the same time, China remains a global powerhouse in manufacturing, solidifying its position as the world's leading exporter of goods. This dominance in exports reflects China's deep integration into global supply chains and its unwavering competitive edge in production. In essence, China thrives on a dual engine: a robust domestic market hungry for goods, and an export-oriented juggernaut supplying the world. China's economic juggernaut isn't without its challenges. The nation is navigating a complex transition from an export and investment-fueled model to one driven by domestic consumption and services. This shift presents a tightrope walk, as China grapples with managing debt levels and mitigating environmental pressures. Adding another layer of complexity is the ever-present concern for foreign investors, the uncertainty surrounding regulations and potential political risks. China's unique political system and its approach to regulation can significantly impact market dynamics and the flow of foreign investment. Finally, looming on the horizon are demographic headwinds. An aging population coupled with a declining birth rate threatens to cast a long shadow over China's long-term economic growth trajectory. China's global footprint extends far beyond its own borders. Its economic policies and ambitious projects, like the Belt and Road Initiative, leave a significant mark on global trade and investment patterns, shaping international economic landscapes. This immense influence has led some to argue that China has transcended the label of a mere emerging market. Its economic might, growing sophistication, and undeniable global clout blur the lines of the traditional developed versus emerging market classification. China stands as a unique economic powerhouse, challenging the established order and carving its own path in the global arena. China defies easy categorization. It embodies characteristics of both emerging and developed economies. On one hand, it shares traits with many emerging markets, like its breakneck growth and emphasis on industrialization. On the other hand, China boasts a sophisticated infrastructure network, wields significant global influence, and is a major player in international trade. This economic duality sparks debate about China's true classification, highlighting the complexities of defining economies in our evolving global landscape. Regardless of the label, China's economic juggernaut undeniably shapes the world stage, presenting a complex mix of opportunities and challenges for investors, businesses, and policymakers worldwide. Before we wrap up our look at China's incredible journey from an emerging market to a global economic leader, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button and maybe subscribe to our channel for more insights into major global economies. I'm Dr. Dag, and your thoughts mean a lot to us. Don't hesitate to drop your comments or ideas for future videos below. Hope you have a great day ahead.